Hi, I'm Sandy Genovese and welcome to the Ellison Education video series. You know, if your students are into emojis, they are sure to love today's project. It involves 3 emoji dies and I have them set on the table. The first one will cut out the face, and then the second one will cut out several options to make all kinds of eye configurations as well as the halo for the innocent look. And the third one cuts out lots of mouth options as well as the finger that you would use if you hold it to your face for the shh emoji. Look at all the options that I came up with in just a few minutes of possibilities using these 3 dies. Everything from winking to worried, all kinds of opportunities. But I thought it would be fun, instead of working with paper today, to work with fabric. So what I did was I cut self-adhesive felt in order to make this little pencil bag. And I've decorated the one side. I thought what we'll do is I'm going to flip this over and we'll do, maybe this is going to be used as a bag. I was thinking it was a pencil bag, but maybe I'm going to use it for snacks. So I think maybe we'll make the yum. I mentioned that you can cut felt. In fact, these yellow circles, they are self-adhesive felt. Let me show you. You're just going to take the felt, place it against the die, and then run it through the machine just identically to the way you would do if you had paper in there. The machine actually doesn't care. If you can cut it with scissors, then you can use the machine to cut it. So here you get the face circles. Once you have the circles, then you're going to build the shape. So I'm going to just remove the backing, and I'll place this right in the middle. I've used black felt to cut out all of the details for the eyes and the mouth, and I'm going to put it a little ways up because I'm leaving some room in order to be able to add a little tongue that indicates the yum factor. So you can see how quickly and easily that goes together. The kids can use it to describe their emotions of how they're feeling that day. Now this I used to make like a pencil bag, or I called it a snack bag, but there's all kinds of other options. You can cut emojis from self-adhesive felt, and it makes it easy to embellish a t-shirt, a book bag, a throw pillow, which is with a pillowcase, any fabric item your little heart desires.